Hi guys, welcome to another video, and this one is going to be about trends in a market. So basically there are three types of trends in a market: uptrend, downtrend, and sideways. What is an uptrend? Uptrend, so sorry. Uptrend is a trend when price moves being higher high lows, higher high lows, higher high lows, higher high lows. Downtrend is a trend in which price moves making a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And sideways market is a trend in which there's no certain direction. Price is very choppy, moving in a random direction. That's it. Thank you for watching the video. Yeah, that's it. That's all y'all are going to learn in this video. What is a trend? If you want to learn about them in more detail, I'll continue the video. So what is an uptrend? What do I mean by higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows? So this was a recent high. How do I confirm price is moving in an uptrend? So when I see the price made a high, then pulled back, then price pushed, breaching this high, making a new swing high. Easy. Then price again pulled back, but didn't go through the recent low, making this one a higher low. Then price again pushed, breaching this high, making another new swing high. And this is how you identify an uptrend, by joining higher lows, seeing that price does not breach or does not go through the recent low. If price goes through, then this would be a change in market structure. That is, the price may have turned bearish, that is in a downtrend. But that's not how price really works. That would be really bookish, and that's not the way you will make money in the markets. What is a downtrend? Downtrend, price moves making lower high, lower low. What does that mean? Price made a high, then pulled back, but this time price was not able to go through that high. Here you can see price again started to move downwards, and this time it went through the recent low, confirming that this is a downtrend, and price continues to move in that way till the time price decides to change its trend. Maybe it would go sideways, or maybe price would decide that now it's time. Banks decided we'll change the trend, and it would go like this. It's all possible in the markets, and this would be an uptrend. What is a sideways market? Sideways market, there's no clear direction, meaning price is bouncing off a zone up and down, and this may be because there's no big players in the market. You all have to understand one thing: we as a retailers do not move the market. Price moves in a direction in which banks or the big players, they call the operators, want, and we as a trader should trade in the direction they are moving price in. If they want the prices to go higher, they'll form a higher high trend, and that's where we should trade. My advice would be to always buy low, sell high. We learn about how to trade support and resistance. This is basically acting as a support, and this is basically acting as a resistance. You identify downtrend by joining lower highs. If the price moves to above the recent high, then that's basically a characteristic of a uptrend. Simple. It's this simple how you identify trends. But you don't buy blindly off the lows. You made a trend. For example, you made a trend line like this. Does this signifies that this trend line has become a support? No. If price decides, price can move past this, or can maybe come here, bounce a little, and then move past the support, making this as a downtrend. Don't trade trends like this. We'll get into trading trends later, or how to create a strategy of trends, but this you only need to understand. Always trade in a higher time frame direction. What does that mean? You can see that price is moving in a higher pattern, but as I said earlier, trading is very fractal, meaning if you zoom in, that is go into a lower time frame. For example, this trend is on a daily time frame. So if you go into an hourly time frame, you'll see price making lower high, lower lows in this zone, meaning on a low time frame price is in a downtrend. So does that mean if you're a swing trader trading off the daily time frame, entering off the hourly time frame, does that mean you should go short on this trade? No, absolutely not. That would be wrong. Trading is very fractal, and all you need to understand that there is trend within a trend, meaning there would be a downtrend in this uptrend, maybe like this, and then price would shoot up from the support. How do we identify support? Where is the support form? This we'll learn later. So basically, this is how price moves in a higher high, higher low pattern, in a lower low, lower high pattern, or when there is no certain direction. When price moves through or breaches one of the zones, maybe this way, then price starts taking a direction, maybe a higher high pattern. And if price moves past through this zone, price may start making a lower low, lower high pattern. That's it. This is the only thing you need to understand. Let's get into some examples. All right. What is this? You can see this easily that this is a sideways market. What is this? This is an uptrend market. Price is making higher highs. What is this? This is a downtrend. Price is making lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And why I have shaded this region? Because this is where I show you that price is very fractal. That is, in a downtrend, you can see that price would be making higher highs on a lower time frame. Just check it out. You can see price during this zone was in a downtrend, but you can see on an hourly time frame price is making higher highs. Does that mean you should go long? No, price would hit your stop loss. And you can see this on a higher time frame, we could clearly see that price was in an uptrend during this phase, but when the price came in this zone, it started making a lower low formation. Does that mean you should go short on this trade? No, that's not the right way. My one advice would be, if there's no higher time frame clear direction, don't go into the lower time frames, and never trade against the trend. That's it. The golden rules, and this is how you identify trends, and this is all you need to understand about trends in the market. There are three types of trend: uptrend, downtrend, sideways. In an uptrend market, price makes higher high, higher low formation. In a downtrend market, price moves making lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. And in a sideways market, there is no clear direction. That's it. Thank you for watching the video.